And Brooke.
Yes?
Are you in?
In.
Are you there?
What?
You're out. Okay. I'll call again. And on we go. So there you are.
Got the place entirely to ourselves. Well, I'll just check. Hello? Anyone at home? Ha! Nope, there's no one here. So, what do you think?
Great! And this is all yours?
Oh, just a little shack in the woods, really. Converted posset mill, 16th century.
It must have cost a bomb.
Oh, well, one does have to have someone to entertain one's business associates. Yes, someone coming at 4 o'clock, in fact. Arab chic, oil, you know.
Right. And I've got to get these files to our Basingstoke office by 4.
Yes, and we'll only just manage to fit it in. I mean, we'll only just manage to do it. I mean...
Right then.
We won't even bother to chill the champagne.
All these doors.
Only a handful, really. Yes, you have the study, kitchen, and a self-contained service flat for the housekeeper.
Terrific. And which one's the?
What?
You know.
Oh, the usual offices, yes, through here.
Fantastic.
Yes, but I could hear voices.
Voices? What sort of voices?
People's voices.
But there's no one here.
Darling, I saw the door handle move. It could be someone from the office checking up.
I still don't see why you have to put on your tie to go in though.
Mrs. Crackit.
Mrs. Crackit?
Yes, one has to set a certain example for the staff.
Oh, look! She's opened our sardine.
Come back. I'll fetch them. You can't go downstairs like that.
Why not?
Mrs. Crackit.
Mrs. Crackit?
Yes, one has certain obligations.
But I'll tell you one thing, Vicki.
Brooke!
Sorry.
Come on, you're lying, Brooke. We're 2 lines away from the end of the act.
I don't understand.
Give her the line.
What's that, Dad?
Yes, but I don't understand. What's that, Dad?
Right, I say to you, I'll tell you one thing, Vicki, and you say to me, what's that, Dad?
I don't understand why the sheik looks like Philip.
Oh, okay.
Not wrong.
With Vicki, I'm going to come straight downstairs.
Are you all right?
This is plainly a matter for the police. Police!
I think I'll be running along.
No, you come back. Hello, police. Into my house. Or rather, discovered a book in the summons house. Nobody's a sex maniac. I left the young woman here, and what's happened to her, no one knows. What's happened to her, no one knows.
Come here, go.
No one knows!
Oh.
Ouch! Oh, jeez.
Oh. There's a man lurking in the undergrowth.
Sorry, the young woman has reappeared. Are you all right?
No, he almost saw me.
I have a housekeeper, yes, but this is an afternoon off, so we've got the place entirely to ourselves. I'll just check. Hello? Anyone at home? Nope, there's no one here. So, what do you think?
Great. And this is all yours?
Just a little shack in the woods, really. A converted posset mill, 16th century.
It must have cost a bomb.
Oh! Well, one does have to have someone to entertain one's business associates. Yes, someone on the phone now, by the look of it. It's probably this Arab saying he wants to come at 4, so I'll just have a word with him and then,
Right then. And I've got to get these files to our Basingstoke office by 4.
Yes, and we'll only just manage to pick it in. I mean, we'll only just manage to pick it up.
Right then.
You won't even bother to pull the champagne.
All these doors.
Oh, only a handful. Only a handful, really. It's a study, kitchen, and a self-contained service flat for the for the receiver.
Terrific. And which one's the?
What?
You know.
Oh, yes. The usual offices, yes. Through here, yes.
Fantastic!
Quick, get something around you.
The covers over our heads!
Just a moment. What did I do with those sardines? You wait here.
Oh, you hear about all sorts of funny things about these old houses.
Yes, but this one's been extensively modernized throughout. I can't see how anything creepy would survive oil-fired central heating, and the sardines, they've gone! Oh, no, they haven't.
What?
They're here.
What is it?
Well,
What's happening?
my God. I mean, my God! You put a plate of sardines down for 2 minutes, and the last thing you expect to find, these days, the one thing you don't expect to find is a plate of, it's really weird.
Perhaps there is something creepy going on. I am going to get into bed and cover my head with
Because
the
there they
feather.
are, exactly right.
Bag!
No, they haven't. I suppose
Bag!
Mrs. Sprotter must have taken, what's going on?
Bag!
What bag? What's bag?
Bag! Bag! Bag!
What's bag?
Bag!
Bag?
Bag!
No, the sardines.
No, bag.
No, sardines.
Bag.
No, sardines.
Bag.
Sardines.
Bag!
All right, fine. Bag. What's bag? Bag. Okay, bag.
Bag!
What?
No bag!
No bag?
Your bag suddenly here, now gone.
It's in the bedroom. It was in the bedroom. I put it in the bedroom. I will put it back in the bedroom.
No, don't go in there again.
The box!
The box!
They've both not gone.
Sheets.
Oh, sheets, yes. Puppy.
He's saying all we want now is a nice, happy ending.
Oh.
Oh.
And there she stands in her wedding dress.
Yes, it's their wedding day.
Oh, yes. It's their wedding day.
Ah.
What a happy ending.
Do you take this sheet to be your lawful wedded wife? If not, speak now or forever hold your peace.
What's he say?
He's saying last line.
Last line.
Yes, please.
All
God.
around is strife and uncertainty. There's nothing like a good old-fashioned plate of
Sardines!
Blackout! Damn! Blackout! Blackout!
Oh!
Oh!